Remodeling your bathroom in Colorado? Here's the 7-step roadmap to avoid costly mistakes. Bathrooms are small spaces with big decisions. Layout, budget, materials, and safety. Without a plan, you risk delays, surprise costs, and wasted money. Start by assessing your space, your fixtures, your storage, your lighting. Define your goals, personal comfort, aging in place, or resale value. Budget realistically with 10 to 20% for surprises. Pick durable materials like solid surface panels that resist mold, and always hire licensed contractors who know Colorado codes. At HomePride Bath, we guide you through every step. If you're ready to plan your remodel the right way, schedule your free consultation now by clicking on the links provided, or visit us at www.homepridebath.com. Want more videos like this? Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the button below. That way you'll be sure to get the most up-to-date information and videos about home bath remodeling, kitchen cabinet restyling, and other matters of interest to Colorado homeowners just like you.